Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Grand St Lucian Spa and Beach Resort. Now I've got a treat for you today. It is the top room category in the entire resort. It comes with all the amenities that you could possibly get here, from the butler to private luxury transfers, but this is one of those incredibly beautiful spaces just behind me. It's an over-the-water honeymoon butler bungalow. Let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you enter your over-the-water bungalow, you're gonna find your butler's pantry. So right here to my left, you've got an espresso maker, coffee maker. Up above, you're gonna find some of those highly upgraded alcohol amenities. Of course, they're gonna personalize based on your preferences. Down here, you're gonna find champagne. That's gonna be on ice and ready for you when you arrive. And then down below, you're gonna find your mini fridge. It'll come fully stocked with beer, wine, sodas, juices, bottled water, and of course, your favorite mixers. We're gonna arrange all of that even before you go with that butler preference sheet. Now we're in the main part of the space. Of course, there's a door here, you can shut that. And then in the morning, if your butler comes in, makes a cup of coffee for you, or can tend to any of your needs without disturbing you. But this is what it's all about. This incredible space, the king size bed looking out at the beautiful ocean. You've got the large flat panel TV. But what this is really all about is an incredible amount of space for an over-the-water bungalow. Let me show you every single detail in here. So right when you walk in, you've got your 2 chairs and a table there. You've got your large king size bed with a fan. I love that. Feel a beautiful breeze coming in through the French doors that we have open right now. But of course you can turn that on in the evening, and then there's air conditioning as well. Now on one side of the bed, you're gonna find a really nice Bluetooth speaker. On the other side, you're gonna find a similar one. What's great is that they also have additional USB plugs. Now on either side, you're gonna find a UK plug and a US plug, and then all the light switches are right on the side as well. Now directly across from the bed is that large flat panel TV I mentioned. It is a curved ultra high definition television, and of course you can stream on here, you can watch TV, but it's also interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the resort. On the other side of the room, you're gonna find your storage. So inside here, you're gonna have extra pillows, towels, blankets. You've got those extra soft and comfy robes and slippers that are part of the butler level amenities. Your safe that's big enough for a laptop, iron and ironing board, and then these great beach bags that you can actually take home with you after your stay. Just around the corner, tucked away here, is the restroom. I do like that they have the door for privacy. You have a beautiful large double vanity here, backlit of course, and then underneath you're gonna find extra towels, and you also have a scale as well. Just behind me, you're gonna find that you have this magnifying mirror. It's a little vanity area to get ready. You've got extra chargers there, both USB, and also that's where you plug in if you wanna stream to the television. So you can plug your devices in right there. You've got extra storage here, and then right around the corner is going to be your large shower. So you've got a huge rainforest shower head up above, and another shower head here. Right here, you're gonna find the full-size amenities from the Red Lane Spa. And of course, if you wanna see the Red Lane Spa or any space here on this beautiful resort, make sure you check out our full resort tour as well. In addition to these, you're also gonna have some extra molten brown amenities included. So now let's check out the incredible outdoor space. So tucked in the corner here, you do see that you have curtains to pull this way, and over there you have an extension of that indoor shower. So you have a wonderful outdoor shower here with the extra shower nozzles all up and down. This beautiful soaking tub, that's one of those things that your butler can do for you. They can draw a bubble bath, have a nice ice cold glass of champagne ready for you. But in addition to that, they can reserve a place for you down at the beach, the pool, and they're gonna deliver a cooler stocked exactly as you like it to your preferences. In addition, they can make reservations. Really what it is that they're here for is to make it incredibly special for you. Now I mentioned this was a honeymoon category. Of course, you don't have to be on your honeymoon to book it, but I bet you're gonna feel like it every single time. You've got a table and 2 chairs here, that perfect place to take advantage of that complimentary 24-hour room service menu. And then continuing on to the other side, you have these beautiful ergonomic loungers, another table, that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee in the morning or a cocktail in the evening. Now over here, you're gonna find the catamaran net. You've got 2 pillows, a perfect place to sit, relax, and enjoy any part of your day or into the evening. Now there's steps down to your own private dock. You've got 2 chairs down there as well. You've got the ladder that heads down to the water so you can jump on in there and then climb back up. Of course, if you'd like to have a kayak delivered or something along those lines, they can bring them right up to your dock for you. One of my favorite Sandals features of all time though are the floating rings. So that's a big floating ring with a catamaran style net in the middle of it where you can sit and lounge in the water and take in these breathtaking views. Now, when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any at Sandals or Beaches Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your group, honeymoon, or wedding party at an incredible value.